Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick review or a first look unboxing of this hair that I purchased myself. Yummy hair. So quick story, I've been following Ivy for years and she's always talking about yummy hair. And then I actually had a friend whose hair always looks bomb, and I was asking her about her hair and she said, girl, you should just go ahead and pay the extra coin and get yummy hair. So I figured, you know what? I had a little bit of coin saved up, so I decided to go ahead and review this hair. So yes, I purchased this with my own money. So I did open one of them because I was so excited. I don't know if this is the one that I opened or not. So you guys will get to see it with me. I think this is the closure. Yay! I haven't even looked at the closure yet, so I'm really excited. So it came in 3 of these little things, or 4, because I purchased 1 closure, 16-inch, and 3 bundles for 14-inch. And the reason why I did that is because I'm actually getting my hair done this week, and they were sold out. So I ordered the raw, I think it's the raw Cambodian, let me double check. I ordered the raw Cambodian 3 14-inch bundles and 1 lace closure, and that's a 16-inch. I paid a total of $4.49, which I believe included shipping. I'm pretty sure that was my shipping price as well, so I think it was a little cheaper. So for example, the 3, oh, that's really good. Wait, that can't be right. Oh, okay, sorry, I'm reading it wrong. So each bundle was $96.50, and then my closure was $139.50. And again, I got the natural wave raw Cambodian hair. It came in a bag, and then it had this bag. So in there, I had this with a cute little postcard. And that postcard reads, "Hello, beautiful. You are going to be the talk of the party with your new hair extensions. Don't forget to send us your selfies for a chance to be featured on our social media platforms. XOXO Yummy." So that's cute. And then also this thing, which is super awesome because it's hair care tips on the back. So if you've never had a weave before, or if you don't know how to take care of virgin hair or raw virgin hair, then this is really awesome for you. So I don't know, I may or may not post it below, I don't know. So okay, so this is the one that I already opened. So it has this little black thing on there, and it smells like they already washed it. I probably will still wash it. So this is the wavy. And okay, so to the back of my head, this is where it should come. I am going to beg the person that installs my hair not to cut it because I really wanted to do a 16-18, but they were sold out and I didn't want to wait. So hopefully in the future I can try that. So far it smells great. It's soft. It feels good. All right, so that's one. So I'm opening it. All right, yeah, this is the closure. This is what I was excited about. Has a little card in here, raw 16. Okay, so this is the closure. Looks good. It's thick. It's long, so I'm kind of nervous to see how she's gonna do that. She's for sure gonna have to cut the closure, but yeah. So as far as the knot, I mean, this looks like a big 4x4. I don't know if I'm tripping or not. It looks smaller on camera, but it's really big. So yeah, this is huge. Again, it smells like they washed it with some, I don't know, Suave, I don't know. I mean, it feels good. It doesn't feel like over the top soft, but it feels good. And I was thinking about having her do a middle part for me. Okay, so the closure, one bundle. And these cute little baggies, I'm probably gonna use this for my makeup or something. All right, give me another little card. I don't know if my first bag that I opened had a card. I was just so excited when it came in the mail. Let's see. Sorry, I know I have bad lighting in here. I have to hook this room up. All right, so no hair. Nothing crazy. Still nothing. It really smells good. Low key, I might not even wash it because I'm lazy. I'm gonna wash it just in case. But it really smells like they washed it, like no joke. Okay. Again, I'm pretty sure it's true to length. I'm sorry, I should have had my measuring tape. Maybe after the video, I'll take pictures of it so you guys can see with the measuring tape. And then my last bundle. Again, another card. Yummy 14. Man, I really wish I would have got a 16 or 18 inch. Not gonna lie. So again, this still feels the same. What I do like is it feels really thick. And my friend told me that I could really get away with 2 bundles. But I didn't want to chance it. Like I said, I haven't got my hair done professionally in years. So I'm getting my hair professionally sewn in with the closure. And I was really nervous because I haven't done that in a long time. So I wanted to make sure I got some good quality hair. So far as the unboxing, I give it a 10. Like, I don't need all that extra fancy stuff. Like, it came decent. You know, don't just throw it to me. So it's not in a plastic bag. So it has these little, like, silk-like things. And excuse my nails. I know they're a hot mess and my face is a mess, but y'all have to bear with me. So what I will probably do is do a short video once I get it done, or take a lot of selfies, and then I'll probably do a week review, a month review, 6-week review, I don't know. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if it looks different, maybe I'll take pictures of it when I wet it and let you guys know. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Hairvolution.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick 3-week update with me wearing this Yummy Hair 14 inches. It's the wavy one. I think it's the raw Cambodian wave. I'll leave the description below. Excuse me. And I know I look a hot mess. I actually had to run a quick errand, but I wanted to wash my hair and I wanted to dry while it's hot outside. So I jumped in the shower, washed my hair, and then I put a hat on and let my hair air dry. So it's completely dry now. It smells so good and it's so thick. Like, this hair is so thick. It is amazing. It's really amazing. I love this hair. It's like butter. And I'm not lying to you guys. How you know I'm not lying to you guys? I'm not getting paid from them at all for reviewing this hair. This is how I feel about the hair. This is my own personal experience. Excuse me. Obviously, I don't have enough subscribers for anyone to send me any bundles. So let's just be real. But no, seriously guys, I know this hair is expensive. So I know you want real reviews and you really want to know if it's worth it. And I say yes. My homegirl actually told me about this hair. And I had saw Yummy Hair from Ivy years ago. And I was just like, no, that hair is too expensive and they probably send her good bundles. So finally, I wanted to do a review for you guys. So I was debating between Yummy Hair and Snob Hair. And my friend was like, girl, get Yummy. Get Yummy. So I was like, all right, fine. So I did get Yummy. And as you see in my previous video, I got 14 inches and a 16-inch closure. I did get it sewed in. My stylist sewed it in for me, and she just kind of layered it. This is air dried hair, so I have no curls in it, no nothing. I'm sorry I have bad lighting in here. I'm sorry the lighting is so bad. But this is what the 14 inches, what it looks like, what it'll run you. See, so that here's my bra. So, and again, that's 14 inches. So here's the pros and cons. Cons, I haven't found one yet. Honestly, like I haven't found one con yet. It does not mat underneath. The only time it ever sheds is when I wash it. And I should have brought you the amount that I lost. I want to say it was like maybe 10 to 15 strands. That's the only time it sheds. Like, and I'm playing with it all day long because it feels so good. So I'm always like this. I'm always doing this. Doing this. Nothing. Oh, there goes one string. But seriously, guys, like this hair is amazing. So again, I've been wearing this hair for 3 weeks. I plan to wear it for 6. Not because I don't think it will last, but because I can't keep a hairstyling for a long time. And since I actually paid to get my hair done this time, I have to leave it in. So what I might do for you guys is turn this hair into a wig. Yeah. And I am excited about trying some of their other curl patterns. So let me see, what else can I tell you guys about this hair? I've been wearing it for 3 weeks. I've washed it twice. I washed it in the shower. I don't completely immerse my head and the top of my hair in water because I have a closure and I don't have time to sit under the dryer, or I don't make time to, or I don't want to. I don't know. I don't. So when I'm in the shower, what I do is I put the shampoo in my hands and then I do this. I do this. Same thing with the water. I get the water and then I'm doing this. And then actually, excuse me, I'm sorry. I think the first time, dang it, did I blow dry it? I think the first time I ever washed my hair, I did blow dry it. But this time I let it air dry. I literally threw a hat on. That's why it's kind of like this, because I had a hat on. And I just let it dry. And I mean, like, I probably would never wear it like this, like out. But if you wanted to, it doesn't look like, oh, what's wrong with her hair? You know, it doesn't look bad at all. But this hair is bomb. It feels so soft. It's like butter, guys. I highly recommend Yummy Hair. And I'm really excited. I want to try their new hair that they just came out with. But I obviously want to go longer. So I will be sure to keep you guys updated. And if you haven't watched my previous video, either it's attached to this video or I posted it separately. I forgot to ask my stylist what she thought of the hair. Oh, the closure. The closure is huge. At first, when I took it out the bag, I was like, oh, okay, it looks a little big. But then, like, my stylist said it was huge, and yeah, it's a big closure. And I can't think of the measurements off the top of my head, but I will be sure to post it below. And if I forget, please just call me out and I'll do it. That's all I can think of, guys. But yeah, I purchased this hair with my own money. I love it. I'll try to post some cute pictures when I get done, because right now, thankfully the lighting is on my side because you can't see my edges not laid right now because I washed. I did wash my little bit of leave out. I probably have this much. Oh, I guess you can see how much hair I have out. And yeah, so I have very, very, very little hair out. And it's working for me. I get compliments on this hair. This hair is butter soft. And I highly recommend it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Maybe right before I take their hair out, I'll give you guys my final update and let you know what I think. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you.